Hi guys, hopefully everybody's doing well. Hopefully you had a nice weekend and everything like that. This is my Monday vlog. My name is Brian. Today this is my Monday vlog number 14. Okay, just something I just want to show you. It's actually this cap. It doesn't matter what kind of cap it is. It's, you know, we bought it at a local shop. It says definitely get over it. Yeah, get over it. So if you fall down in that, you know, get up and get on with it. Now, it's not about that, guys. It's actually like, say, you know, if you're near water, you know, exactly this kind of water. And what I actually done with this cap, guys, okay, I've actually put a safety pin in there, okay, on that side, okay, for your trousers or your whatever, your zip burst or whatever, okay. And at the back here, I've actually put a Velcro. I need to do a wee bit more on it. Just as you can see, it's actually sticky wicky. Then inside there, guys, I know there's different ways you can do it. Then what I've got actually in there is actually actual thorn. I've got this thorn. Fishing hook and some gut. And this, you know, if you're out and about in that and you think, oh, I've not got much stuff like that, then, you know, this is, you know, at least you can try and get some fish at some point and somewhere. Sorry guys, there's this. But you know, that's my Monday vlog, guys. I say it's nothing, you know, spiritual. It's just, you know, it's maybe little tricks, but I've always got that with me. Got different other little things in there and that, or I could put the actual fish hook at the front there. I was actually kind of slipping at the bank there. But guys, hopefully you have a great week, and I'll see you at the weekend. Okay, see you.